In this quick guide, I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once the app loads, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From the list that appears, select Account Center. Inside Account Center, scroll down until you find Personal Details, then tap on it. Now choose Account Ownership and Control. Here you'll see an option called Deactivation or Deletion. Tap that. Instagram will now show your account. Select the account you want to manage. Make sure the Deactivate Account option is selected, then tap Continue. Instagram may ask you to confirm again. Tap Continue, then enter your account password to verify that it's really you. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now temporarily deactivated. Your profile, photos, and comments will be hidden until you log back in again. Whenever you want to return, just sign in with your username and password, and your account will be restored instantly. If this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.